Hello guys and welcome to today's class. For this class, we look at how to understand the concept of one-way and two-way slab, right? Basically, for the concept of one-way and two-way slab, there is a concept we need to note, right? Usually, when it comes to one-way slab, how do we possibly identify a one-way slab, right? Let me use a sheet here. So for one-way slab, from one-way slab, the value of Ly over Lx must be what? Greater than what? 2. That's for must be greater than 2. Sorry, I said greater than, sorry. So greater than 2. So why the value for one way, for two-way slab, the value of Ly over Lx must be what? Less than 2. So what does it mean? Let's say I have section 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's indicate this let's indicate either if it's a one-way slab or two-way slab on this section. So how do you possibly do that? For section 1 here, let's start section 1. For section 1, right? If I'm starting section 1, for my section 1, what do you observe? The entire this is vertical Ly. So for section 1, my Ly over Lx is equal to, what's your Ly? This L axis, we have from your graph, this is y axis and this x axis. So Ly signifies the vertical. So for this section 1, the vertical is what? Year to year is 6,000. Divided by what's Lx? From year to year for section 1 is 2,000, right? So divide these two. I'll have about 3. If I divide 6,000 by 2,000, sorry, how about 3,000, right? Sorry, by how about 3? This 3 here, is this greater than 2 or less than 2? Of course, this 3 here is greater than 2. So of course, a one-way slab. So this one here becomes a one-way slab. So how do you identify a one-way slab? This is a symbol for representing a one-way slab. So I'll have my ruler. So this is a one-way slab. This is a symbol for representing a one-way slab. So I've shown you how we got to this. For this second part here, for section 2, for section 2, for section 1 is gone. Section 2 is this part here. The entire length is still the same thing. Ly over Lx is equal to, what's your Ly? Entire length is still 6,000, but the x is 4,000. What do I get here? That's 6,000 divided by 4,000. I have 1.5. Please, question. 1.5, is it greater than 2 or less than 2? Of course, this is less than 2. Becomes what? A two-way slab. Less than 2, a two-way slab. So this is how you identify a two-way slab. I have this way, and also I'll have this. This is how to indicate a one-way and two-way concept. Let's proceed with this part here. For this part here, right? Is it a one-way or two-way? How do we know? For section 3, for section 3, what do we know? We know that Ly over Lx is what we use to determine either is one way or two way. Now, how do you possibly know if this is one way or two way? We said the task is quite simple. Section 3 here, what's your your Ly? Of course, year to year is restated now. Year to year, for only this one, year to year is 3,000. Divided by Lx is what? 3,500. If I divide this one, what do I get? So 3,000 divided by 3,500, I have 0.857. Please, question. Is 0.857 is it greater than 2 or less than 2? Less than 2. So becomes what? A two-way slab. Becomes a two-way slab, a straight one, a vertical one, and what? A horizontal one. So this way. So this, of course, this one, they are of the same dimension. So this one automatically becomes what? A two-way slab. So for section 3 slash 4, they are of the same dimension. So it becomes a one-way, as in this case, sorry, the two-way per se. So I have this. So this becomes how to determine if a section is a one-way or two-way. If you found this class helpful, do well to like this video, subscribe to my channel, share to your friends and classmates so they can learn too. So see you in the next class.